Alright guys, welcome to a completely new video. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the text size on your iPhone. Okay, so it might be very useful, especially if you have problems with your eyesight. So the first step we need to do is to locate the settings application on your iPhone. Now once located, you want to tap on it once, just like so. Now you want to scroll down and find the display and brightness tab. Once found, you want to tap on it just as well. And then what you want to do is to find this text size tab. We tap on it once. Now here, at this slider at the bottom of your screen, you can slide it to the right or to the left to change the text size on your iPhone, okay? And just as well, you have this example on how all the text on your iPhone will now look like. Okay, so this is the standard size. Now, once you're done with the text resizing, you want to go back to settings, and then you have this setting which is called bold text. If turned on, it will make all the text on your iPhone in different applications and in Safari as well, this kind of bold and thick. Okay, so if you like it, you can keep it. If you don't like it, you can just turn it off. All right, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.